Changing your USPS shipping address after shipment.
Hello, folks. Today, we'll be discussing a common query: how to change your shipping address for a USPS shipment after it has been shipped. Remember, it's crucial to provide the correct address when you're expecting a package. But sometimes, things change unexpectedly. So, let's explore how we can handle this situation.
Can you change the address once the package is shipped?
The first question that might come to mind is, can you really change the shipping address once the package has been shipped? The answer is yes, but there are some conditions. USPS offers a service called Package Intercept, which allows you to redirect domestic packages, letters, or flats that have a tracking or extra services barcode. However, this service is not guaranteed, as it depends on when the change is made and the package's status.
How to change the shipping address?
Now, let's get to the heart of the matter: how to change the shipping address. 1. Go to the USPS website. Visit the official USPS website where you'll find the option to change the address. 2. Search for Package Intercept. Look for the Package Intercept service. This service allows you to change the shipping address of a package that's already in transit. 3. Enter the package details. You'll be asked to provide the tracking number of the package whose address you want to change. Make sure to keep it handy. 4. Request an intercept. If the package is eligible, you can then request an intercept. Follow the instructions provided by the USPS website to change the address. Remember, there is a fee associated with the Package Intercept service, and the actual amount varies based on the package and destination.
What if Package Intercept isn't available?
Now, what if the Package Intercept service isn't available for your package? In this case, the best course of action is to contact USPS directly. They may be able to help provide other solutions or suggestions on what to do next. In conclusion, while it can be a bit tricky, it is indeed possible to change the shipping address for a USPS shipment even after it has been shipped, using the Package Intercept service or by contacting USPS directly. Always double-check your shipping address to avoid any hassles. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay organized and happy shipping!